Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to discuss the next answer copy of our Aim for Agriculture series. So as you all know that we are having Aim for Agriculture series in which we are having daily answer writing practice and weekly full tests. So today we are going to discuss the answer copy of day 26. We have already discussed the answer copies till day 25 and we have discussed the full test copies of till full test 4. So today we are going to discuss the answer copy of day 26, and these answer copy will also help to enhance your answer writing skills, because you can see how the student has approached the answer, how the student has written the points, how the student has written the examples, how the student has structured the answers. So all these things can be very helpful to you, so that you can also make your own answer structures, you can also make or approach your own answers, so that could be helpful to you. So let's see what the questions were asked and how the student has approached the answer. So the first question was, discuss the major functions of farmers interest group. So let's see how the student has approached the answer. So farmers interest group, or you can say FIG, are informal groups of small farmers who share common interests in agriculture and allied activities. That is, suppose there are 10 farmers and they all have some common interests or some common preferences of agriculture. So they all can come together and make a farmer interest group. So according to NAVAD, these groups consists of 15 to 20 members, around 15 to 20 members are farmers, to enhance productivity, to enhance income, to enhance overall well-being, and enhance through collective efforts. Because many times what happens, suppose there is one farmer and he is doing farming alone, so it will be difficult for him to buy the inputs, because he will have to buy high prices as compared to 10 farmers buying the inputs in bulk amounts. Obviously the market approach will be different. The more amount of farmers coming together, we will have great bargaining power, get great strength in the market. So all these things can enhance income, also can enhance productivity also, because when you collect or when you cooperate all the farms, so that will enhance to do farm mechanizations, and you will be getting products in high yields, so that will be helpful also. So overall, it will enhance our productivity and income of the farmers coming together and making farmers interest group. Now, what are its major functions? What are the major functions of farmers interest groups? First of all, it can help in collection of input procurement, because here we can do bulk buying. So I will be not discussing all the lines of the answer. If you want to read the answers in detail, you can simply pause the video and read the answers. I will be just giving you a brief view of the answers to how to approach the answers. Okay. Second point is technology dissemination. Suppose that it will be very difficult for a single farmer to operate and draw the maps and lay the pipes of drip irrigation, but when they will come into group, they will be easier for them. It will be access to credit, the loans will be easily available to them, it will help in their market linkages. They market linkage through collective selling, they can will have high bargaining powers. They will It will be helpful in resource sharing, it will be helpful in capacity building, it will be helpful in risk management. So all these are the advantages of farmers interest group. When the farmers work in a group, these are the some of the advantages. So very well written answer and appropriately concluded. So you can pause and read the answers wherever you want. Now let's move to the next question. The next question was, discuss the major reasons for poor performance of cooperative marketing societies. Also discuss some measures. So what cooperative marketing societies are? When there are different groups of persons, or suppose in agriculture there are different groups of persons or farmers, when they cooperate together and form a society, then those are known as cooperative society. So in India, although there are various cooperative societies coming up, but there are certain problems, and most of the cooperative societies are performing very poorly. So what are the major reasons that they are performing very poorly? That, so first of all, we will see the regions. The first important reason is that lack of professional management. The Indian farmers, especially in rural areas, are not that ably able to professionally manage, they have not have able not have proper education, they do not know about technical things properly, so that act as a problem. There are certain political interferences, there is the problem of inadequate capital, there is problem of inefficient supply chains, there is limited access to credit, there is limited access to market, so all these things build up the problems. There is problem of member apathy also in many cooperative societies. Poor meeting attendance have been seen. So these are some of the problems which led to the poor performance of cooperative societies. Now, what are the measures through which we can improve the performance? First of all, we can do professionalization of management with skilled professionals. For example, suppose there is a MBA graduate, there is a graduate of in MBA business management, so he will be well able to he will be well equipped with the professional knowledge which he can share to the farmers or the members of the group. Reducing political interference is important. There could be more access to credit. There could be more microfinance facilities, microfinance partnership. There need is to improve infrastructure. There should be enhanced market accesses. Member education is very important. So these are some of the common points. If you want to read in detail, you can pause the video and read it. So very well written answer. Now let's move to the next question. So the next question is, discuss the effect of industrial effluents on soil and water. Also discuss the principles of treatment of industrial effluent for irrigation purposes. So let's see how the student has approached the answer. So what are the industrial effluents? The discharge, the chemical discharge, the pollution discharge from the industries is what industrial effluents are. Okay. So these contribute to 70% of water pollution globally, and with severe impact on soil and water quality, particularly in developing countries. Many times we see that the industrial effluents are discharged in the water bodies, discharged on the soil, so they impact the both water and soil. And this data, the 70% data, has been given by World Bank. So I must let you know that whenever you are writing some facts, or whenever you are writing some data, please try to link that data with the source. Okay, whatever the source may be, please do write it. That will enhance your answers. So please do write the source if you can of your data or of your facts. Now, what are the effects of industrial effluents on soil? As you can say, the effect on soil and water both are asked. So I think the student has structured dividing soil and water differently. So we will see the industrial effects of industrial effluent on soil. First of all, it does pH alteration. It leads to soil toxicity. It degrades the organic matter content or organic matter quality. So these are some of the common effects on soil. There could be more points also, but these are fair enough. If you want to read in detail, you can pause and read. What are the effects on industrial effluents on water? First of all, it's lead to eutrophication of water bodies. There are problems of bioaccumulation. There are problems of chemical pollution. So these are some of the common effects. Now, what are the principles of treatment we can see? For first of all, we can do pre-treatment. That is, there are certain pre-treatment principles which we need to follow. That is, we need to screen the water, we need to do sedimentation. That is, all the large particles and the suspended particles get settled to the bottom layers. Okay, we can do pH adjustment. Then we will move to primary treatment. In primary treatment, we will do certain things such as coagulation and flocculation. We will uh, do primary sedimentation. Then we will do secondary treatment using biological treatment. We will use here various kind of bacteria, various kind of biological materials which can feed on the pollutants. Okay, we can do aeration. Then for tertiary treatment, we can do advanced filtration, we can do disinfection. So these are the things which we can do. For nutrient management, nutrient removal is important, reuse of nutrients is important. We have to do proper monitoring and regulation. So these are the things which we need to do for the treatment of industrial effluents to make it suitable for irrigation. And again, very appropriately concluded, writing about the same, that is National Mission for Green Ganga, which has elements of treatment of industrial effluents. So a very well written answer, and I hope you liked it. So this was all for today's answer writing copy review, and I think you like it. So if you like it, please do like, please do share, and please do subscribe. It takes a lot of hard work to make such videos for you on regular basis. रेगुलर बेसिस को ऐसे वीडियोस बनाने के लिए काफी हार्ड वर्क लगता है. And if you and we also bring such courses for you which are 10 to 20 times cheaper than the coaching institutes and very good in quality. So it takes a lot of effort to do these things. And if you like, if you share, if you subscribe, It motivates us to make more such programs and videos for you. So that is all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.